Hi. Today I will demonstrate how to animate characters in Spine Pro step by step. All the characters and game assets are available for free on my website. Open up New Project in Spine Pro and click on Images from the hierarchy, select the folder containing the PNG parts of the character. Drag and drop the character's PNG parts into the canvas. Now create meshes around the PNG parts of the character by heading to the meshes and then click on New. Try to add as many points to the areas of PNG parts of the character where you feel will be animated to avoid any sort of distortion to the mesh during the animation phase. Once the mesh phase of the character is complete, it's time to add bones to the character. First go to the root in the hierarchy and select New and click on Create Bone. The second bone is always inherited by the first bone. You can change the order of inheritance by clicking on the bone you want to be inherited by and create new bone. In my case, the main bone is the body. In order to assign meshes to the bones, go to Weight, select the mesh of the bone, and click on Bind and then choose the bones that would affect the mesh, and then again click on Bind. Now click on the setup to change the interface to Animate. Select all the bones from the hierarchy by holding down the Shift button. Set the initial values of transformation, position and rotation of the bones. Copy and paste the values of the first frame to the last frame. For this character I am using 30 frames per second. Right at the 15th frame rotate and translate the main bones for the animation. You can use graphs to manipulate the speed of the animation. Experiment the rotation and position of the bones on different frames. If you find my videos interesting, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumb up. Thank you.